Welcome back, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to create 100 or 50 social media posts at a go. You don't have to create them one after the other, and when you create them in bulk like this, you're going to be able to post them and schedule your posts, and with that you are free. So if you're a social media manager or you manage your own business or someone else's business, this video is for you, as I'm going to be showing you how to do it exactly. If this is the first time you're joining us, please consider subscribing, like, and drop a comment in the section below. First of all, what we're going to be using is Canva. We need a Canva account, we need a ChatGPT account, and we need Google Sheets. So these are the three tools that we'll be using. The first tool, which is a Canva account, you may need a premium version. For ChatGPT, you can find the link in the description below where you can just sign up with your email, and there's a free version, you can just use it. And for Google Spreadsheet, all you just need is a Gmail account and you already have it. So if you have these three tools, you are good to go. So first of all, what we're going to do, we're going to start with our ChatGPT, which is going to be the first tool. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT a question like this. So I'm telling ChatGPT to create 50 social media posts for a dental clinic social media handle. Tabulate it to number and description because I want it to be in a tabular form. Okay, so ChatGPT has given us something like this, and because of the length of it, I said 50, and if I allowed it, it will give us up to 50 or more. But to make this video short for you, I just stopped it at 24. So what ChatGPT has given us, okay, so post number one, he said, keep your smile healthy with the regular dental checkups. All right, so this is it, and we have it all the way down. So assuming we just want to create for 24 posts and post right away, this is what we'll do. We would now go over to our spreadsheet. Okay, so I'll just rename my spreadsheet to be dental clinic posts. So renaming this sheet doesn't change anything. Okay, so what I'll just do is I'll come here, I'll copy everything I have here, I'll copy everything. So just make sure you copy everything up to the post. Okay, so I'm stopping at 24. I'm going to copy this and come here and paste. Right, so after pasting here, just adjust this to give it the look and feel you want it to have. Okay, this still doesn't change nothing about the post. Now this is what we have. Okay, the next thing I'll have to do here is I'll save this as an Excel sheet. All right, okay, I'm going to save it as a CSV file. Right, save as a CSV file. Now I click this and I'm just going to, I've already renamed it, and you can see it here. Let me leave it in my let me leave it in my download. Then that's it, I've saved it. Now the first step is to create your post from ChatGPT by giving it a prompt. The second is to save the document, what you generated from ChatGPT, to a Google Sheet. Here is where the main business comes in. So for this, we're going to be using Instagram posts for this video. Now what I'm going to do is I'll just look for an Instagram post that I like, Instagram dental posts, so that it will give us something related to the post we want to be posting. So you don't just post anything anyhow, okay, and like that. So okay, let's say this. Okay, so let's say we take this one. You choose this post and try to customize it, and at this process, this is where you're going to do what you want to do. So this is your post, and what you want to do is to remove every other thing that is not related to what you're doing. Okay, so I'm going to remove this. Okay, let me leave it. I'm going to remove this and delete them. I'm going to delete this. Okay, we're just trying to make it look beautiful. So this is it. I'm going to leave this one here. So this is subject to what you want to do. Okay, the design is not fixed. You can do it the way you want it, exactly how you want it to be. For your brand, just make sure you use your brand color. So the next thing we'll do here is I'm going to duplicate this. Now this is going to be, remember we have two columns for number and the description. So this is where I want the main post to be. So I'm going to increase it and give it the size I want and the position. So I think it's in the middle now, right? So this number here is going to be like, the number is going to be like here, and the main post is going to be here. Remember, we are creating 24 or 50 or 100 posts at a go. So when you edit this first slide and make it exactly the way you want it to be, you would have really nothing to worry about. So when you're done with this, in this final step, what you have to do, you go to bulk create. On the apps, you can go to apps and search for bulk create. Okay, so when you search for bulk create, you can find it here. That is why I said you need a pro version, a premium version of Canva. So when I click on on this bulk create, it will ask me to enter data or upload a CSV file. We already have our CSV file, so I'm going to click on upload a CSV file. And when this comes, I'll just go down where I downloaded this, or I'll just come here and search for dental. And here is our file. So I just click on open, and this file comes into this place. So you can see now I have the number and I have the post description, which are like two columns. But before we go, the first thing I'll do here is when you double click here, you come down and connect data. What you do is you right click in the upper one, connect data, and the treatment is going to be the number hashtag, okay, while this one is going to be, this is going to be the post description. Okay, so if I want, I can, in this case, I can just not connect this one, so that the only thing that will be imputed in this post is going to be in the description. So I can delete this, and the next thing I have to do is to press on continue. So we just link the data to this. So I'll click on continue. And as you can see that our posts are all generated. The 24 of them are all selected. So when I click on generate post, you're going to see the magic that's going to happen. See, now you can see all the posts. They are now 24 of them immediately, all in one click. So what you can do for yourself before you download is to make sure that everything is in order the way you want it to be. You can see this one, it's okay. This second one, you can just adjust it. Mind you, my color and my font is not perfect, but for this video it's okay. Then you just adjust everything the way you need it to be. If you still want to change the images, assuming you want to change the image, the background image to be whatever you want to do, this is where you're going to be doing it individually. But if you don't have a problem like me to have a general image for all of them, then you're good to go. So this is it, and I'm trying not to make this video long. So assuming everything has been arranged the way you want it to be, remember your company branding or the brand of your dental clinic and the logo, everything has to be on the first page before importing the Excel sheet. So what we'll do next here, after everything is perfect, you just come here, click on share, go to download. I'll click on download. So when I want to download, I'll say I want to save everything. So You choose the format, and okay, I click on download. When I click on download, everything is going to be imported. So it will be downloaded in a zip file, and whatever you see there is what you get. And with this, you can, click on downloads. I can just save it, and boom, I have 24 posts on my system for me to post for the rest of the 24 days. Okay, so you can use that and schedule your post. So this is the end of the video, and if you enjoyed this video, if you have a comment, you have a question, please leave it in the comment section below. If not, give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.